If is one of the primary Excel functions that every Excel user should know. It can be useful in certain situations, but even more importantly, if serves as the basis that would allow you to understand better crucial functions like SUMIF, SUMIFs, COUNTIF, COUNTIFs, and so on. Okay, so what does if do? As we can easily infer from its name, if checks whether a condition is satisfied or not. If the condition is satisfied, the formula returns one output. If the condition is not satisfied, if returns a different output. Let's check out the function's arguments. I can easily do that by typing if in the formula bar, and then adding a parenthesis. So, the first argument of if is the logical test, the condition we would like to verify. Let's apply this to the table we have here. Let's say that I would like to test whether a team participated in the Champions League. My logical condition would be D4 equals yes, in parenthesis. Once we've added our condition, we can continue with the other two arguments. The first one should be the value displayed when the logical test is satisfied, when a team participated in the Champions League, while the second would be the value to be returned when the logical test is not satisfied, when we don't have a yes here. Okay? Perfect. Let's say that in the first case, I would like to obtain the number of points that were earned by that team. And in the second case, if the logical test is not satisfied, I would like to obtain a 0. Excellent. I'll close the parenthesis. Here's the result of our function, 71. And that's what we expected, given that the team participated in the Champions League. Let's paste downwards. You will see how if automated this logical verification process. We carried out a rather simple operation, but please remember that if is at the heart of a number of more sophisticated Excel tools, and we have to make sure that it has been covered in our course. Thanks for watching.